Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Allahumma aftah alayna bihikmatika wanshur alayna birahmatika ya dhal jalali wal ikram. Tonight, I have been asked to speak to you about this man, Muhammad Alexander Russell Webb, who is one of the first known Americans to embrace Islam and who is the father of the American Islamic press, who built probably the first mosque in the United States, who started the first mission, and who is a very interesting person. The title of the speech is The Legacy of Muhammad Alexander Russell Webb, the formation or the creation of an Islamic identity. Alhamdulillah, I have written a book about Mr. Webb, which I hope will be out in about a year, which is called Islam in Victorian America, the story of Alexander Russell Webb. His life is very rich. His story is very important. But what I would like to begin with is to point out two issues which I would like you to attend to. Often when speeches are given, and there's a lot of information, we go home and we remember very little. Sometimes we remember nothing. You'll hear that, oh, that was a good speech, but what did he say or what did she say? And, well, I don't really remember. It was about such and such. So there are two things, there are two takeaways which I would like all of you to get. And I would like all of you to understand and to be able to respond to. The first of those is the fact that this Muslim American community, to which about half of us belong, is a Muslim minority with a unique potential. Probably in Islamic history, there has never been a Muslim minority with the potential that the Muslim community of the United States of America has. That's the first takeaway. But I want you to be able to add to it and to understand it and to think about it. You don't have to agree with it. The second point is the urgency of the creation of a pan-American Muslim culture. The urgency of the creation of a pan-American Islamic culture. A culture that is sound, that doesn't betray Islam, but that fulfills Islam, but a culture also that is successful. Okay, so this is the second point. And in order for the Muslim community of the United States to fulfill its potential and to become that unique minority, which most of us, if not all of us, would hope it would do, it must fulfill that second task. It must create a pan-American Muslim culture. So these are the two things that I want to talk about.